tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to attach a thread guard to your work so that you have a beautiful way of attaching your earring hook. This is what the finished product will look like once you attach your ear hook, and this is the alternative way of creating a loop for your ear hook. This is what I call a bead loop. So these are two different ways. They have their own distinct look, and they're both totally acceptable for making a little loop for your earring hook. I do prefer using the thread guards because I feel that they are going to hold up just a bit longer. After a long time of wearing earrings that have a bead loop like this, they will start to wear down a little bit. As you can see from these earrings that my mom made almost 30 years ago when she was pregnant with me, the bead loop has held up just fine. This one is a little bit loose, but it's still intact for both of the earrings in this set. So either way is totally fine. As long as you use high quality materials, high quality thread, it'll hold up for a very, very long time. Thread guards come in a lot of different colors. You can buy them on Amazon. I can leave a link in the description of this video so you can see where I bought mine. But they're just basic thread guards. You can find them on the internet all over the place for very cheap and in lots of different colors to match your ear hooks. So I'm going to show you how to attach this earring guard to your earring. This is what you're going to attach your ear hook to, and it goes on the top of your brick stitch and it holds the thread in a loop. So it's secured onto the top and ready to go. So the way that you do this is you take your needle and your thread will be coming up through the top of your work on the top of your pyramid. This is a double brick stitch, but it works just the same. With single brick stitch, it'll be the last two beads. And I'm gonna go through one of these sides of the thread guard here, just like this. And I'm going to pull my thread. And I'm going to match it up with the top here. And as you can see, the thread guard is slightly larger than the two beads at the top. So what I like to do once I get to this part is I like to just take my chain nose pliers and give it a little bit of a squeeze, just like that. So it matches up a little bit better and it doesn't look so wonky. Then I'm going to take my needle again and I'm going to go through the other side of my thread guard here, just like this, and then down through these beads here. I'm going to pull, and minding the thread meets the thread guard just like that. So you don't want your thread to go behind your thread guard like this. You want to make sure that it sits right on this little ledge here, just like that. Okay, so then what I do is I go back up through the first row of beads and through the thread guard on this side, on the left-hand side. Pull through. Like that, and then back down through the other side and those beads, just like this. Pull through, making sure that your thread meets the thread guard properly, just like that. And from here I can go ahead and tie off and then weave my needle through and start my fringe.